Grand Rising to all our spectacular followers. Today we are taking you on a site visit to follow up on a residential roof repair project located in King Garden. As you know, we are the leading architectural firm in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Some might question as to why. This is one reason why. We understand the critical importance of structural integrity and aesthetic quality in residential properties. In this video, we are outlining our comprehensive approach to residential roof repair, especially addressing slab damage to ensure long-term durability and protection for this home. Today, we will be focusing on repairing the slab upper surface. Here's a detailed breakdown on the concrete slab roof repair. 1. Surface preparation. We began by thoroughly cleaning and preparing the existing slab surface. This involves removing any loose debris or previous coating to create an optimal substrate for adhesion. 2. Bonding agent application. A special bonding agent is then applied. This critical step ensures maximum adhesion between the existing slab and the new resurfacing material, preventing delamination and promoting structural cohesion. 3. Concrete resurfacing. We applied a high-performance concrete resurfacing compound. This material is engineered for superior strength, crack resistance, and weatherability, restoring the slab's profile and structural integrity. 4. Waterproofing application. A multi-layered waterproofing system is then installed. This advanced barrier is designed to prevent water ingress, protecting the underlaying structure from moisture damage and extending the roof's lifespan.